So good afternoon, everyone. In today's English class, we are going to discuss the dictation words and the make sentences of chapter 3, that is Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. We are going to discuss the dictation words and the make sentences of that chapter. Right? Okay, so I'll begin with this. Just give me a minute. And I'll Okay, so I hope you can see on the board, on the screen here. I'm sharing the screen. Is it visible to everybody? Yes, is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Quickly in the chat box, everybody will write down what was the first
Yes,
word.
ma'am.
What was the first word of this dictation words? Quickly in the chat box. Very good. Very good. The first word was imagination. Right. Okay. Krishang, will start with you. What is the meaning of the word imagination? Please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Imagination होता है the creation of mind.
This is something that is created in your mind. It's a creation of your mind that you are imagining.
Ma'am,
Yes. जो actual में होगा या नहीं होगा, that is not sure, but you are just आपके mind में एक picture बन रही है उस चीज की. So that is a creation of your mind. आपका mind कुछ create कर रहा है. Right? So that is called imagination. Let us proceed to the second word. What is the second word? Quickly write in the chat box. Very good. Very good. I want everybody to write down. Yes. The second word was, yes. Anurit, unmute yourself and read out the second word.
Ma'am, frightened.
What is it? Again?
Frightened.
Frightened. Okay. Frightened. N-E-N-D है यहाँ पे क्या? Can you see N-E-N-D here? If I write down N-E-N-D, then it will be
Yes.
frightened.
Ma'am,
No, it
yes.
is. No, there's only one N here. There are not two N's here. आपने frightened बोला है. It is not frightened. हाँ जी, Satvir, unmute yourself and speak out this word, बेटे.
Frightened.
Frightened. Yes, it is frightened. Now, Satvir, tell me the meaning also, please.
Full of fear or worry.
Yes, when you are frightened up, actually basically इसका meaning है fright से बना है. Fright means डर. So afraid. Frightened means to be afraid. डरे हुए होना. I was frightened. मैं डरी हुई थी. Right? So frightened here is a dictation, is a word. Again, Anurit, it is not frightened, but for everyone. Right? So this is frightened. So when you are learning these words, you also need to know the proper pronunciation. Come on, the third word, everybody has already written. It's Brahmjot will unmute himself. Brahmjot, unmute yourself. Read out the word. Brahmjot, read out the word, bete.
Ma'am,
Protection. Very good, Brahmjot. Protection. Can you please tell me what is the meaning of the word protection?
Ma'am,
Yes, bete. You can try in Hindi also. If you are not able to explain in English.
मैम खुद को बचाना.
Protection खुद को बचाना नहीं होता है, बचाव बोलते हैं इसको. Right? It is somebody is unmuted. Please mute yourself. Who is this child with the name iPad? Protection means बचाव. I was looking for protection. मैं बचने के लिए, बचाव के लिए अपने आप को बचाने के लिए कुछ ढूंढ रही हूँ. बेटे, I'm repeating again. Somebody is unmuted. Please mute yourself. Right. Next, fourth word. Fourth word was, yes, I can see Aman Kalia. Who is this Aman Kalia? I think it's Naman.
Ma'am, yes.
Please rename yourselves, bete.
Good afternoon.
Rename yourself before entering the class. Yes, what is the word? Fourth word. Can you please?
Ma'am, investigate.
Investigate.
Ma'am, investigate.
What is the meaning?
मैम कुछ मैम ढूंढना, मैम कुछ पकड़ना,
किसी चीज की
मैम कुछ ढूंढना,
ढूंढना, यस, किसी के पता लगाना, इन्वेस्टिगेट करना मतलब पता लगाना, राइट? ओके, वेरी गुड। किसी चीज का पता लगाना, जैसे इन्वेस्टिगेशन करती है पुलिस, इन्वेस्टिगेशन करती है ना? यू मस्ट हैव सीन द सीरियल सीआईडी, देखते हैं ना वो क्या करते हैं, केस इन्वेस्टिगेट करते हैं, पता लगाते हैं।
यस
नेक्स्ट
मैम।
वर्ड इज हरनूर, प्लीज रीड आउट द नेक्स्ट वर्ड।
Inhabited.
Inhabited, very good. What is the meaning of that word, bete?
हम किस जगह में रहना.
Yes, inhabited means occupied. कहीं पे और कोई रहता है तो हम बोलते हैं this place is inhabited. Manraj, can you pay attention in the class, please? Yes. कहीं पे जब लोग रहते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं कि वो जगह, वो place inhabited है. Very good. Next word. Everybody, I am getting the answers from those 5-7 students only. Why? What are the others doing? Who is this child with the name Vivo 1901? Please unmute yourself. The child whose name is Vivo 1901. Unmute yourself, bete. Unmute कीजिए बच्चे.
मैम जतिन।
Jatin, unmute yourself. जतिन, पहली बात तो I always tell you बेटे अपने आप को रीनेम किया करो. I don't know, I've not never seen you. I mean, I don't know your name. और मैं आपको बार-बार बोल रही हूँ Vivo 1900 word 1901 और आप unmute नहीं कर रहे. जतिन, unmute yourself बेटे. जतिन, unmute कीजिए बेटे. हाँ जी. What is the seventh word, Jatin? Seventh word क्या है बेटा? Have you done your homework, Jatin? Jatin, have you done?
I don't.
Tell me one thing. My question is, have you done your homework? The homework that I gave you yesterday, have you done that?
Ma'am, no.
Why? Reason? Reason बताओ बेटे मुझे जल्दी से.
मैं गया हूँ.
कहाँ गए हुए थे बेटे? Where had you gone?
मैं बन गया हूँ.
So that means you will not do your homework. अब आज आप नेक्स्ट डे का होमवर्क करेंगे या कल वाला करेंगे? This is not done. I tell you every day to do your work side by side. Japneet Kaur, unmute yourself. Seventh word read कीजिए and tell me the meaning if you know. Japneet, unmute yourself first. बेटे as soon as I speak your name ना उसी टाइम आप unmute करेंगे खुद को.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Jatin, mute yourself. हाँ जी, good afternoon बेटे, बोलिए.
Ma'am, century means ma'am कोई year.
Century is हाँ जी.
Ma'am जैसे 1972 century.
Okay, fine. Is she correct? Everybody write in the chat box. Is the answer correct? Ains, is it correct? Unmute yourself. Girisha is saying no. What about Ains? Do you agree with her? Okay, Girisha, I don't think Aim is able to speak. Girisha, can you unmute yourself and tell me why is it wrong and what is the correct answer for this?
Ma'am, the correct answer is 100 years or 100 runs.
Yes. So 100 की जो counting होती है उसे total करके एक century बनती है. Like if you are fond of watching the cricket matches, boys especially, if you like to watch the cricket matches, तो आपने देखा वो बोलते हैं वो century बनने वाली थी आज विराट की. Century means that he was able to make 100 runs. So 100 कोई भी चीज की counting जब 100 हो जाती है तो उसकी century बन जाती है. Similarly जो years होते हैं, years में जब 100 years complete हो जाते हैं तो 1 century is complete. So century consists of 100 numbers, right? That can be either you can be talking about anything. Century होती है 100, right? Now the next word that we have is Arshdeep from green section. Arsh from green section will tell me what is the next word. Quickly. But you are there in the class, I could see you. Yes, Arsh, Deep from green section. No, you don't want to tell? Akanksha, can you try?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, ceremony.
Very good. So the next word is ceremony. Can you please tell me the meaning of this word?
Ma'am, engagement.
अच्छा, I know how you are telling it. Ceremony, आप ring ceremony से इसको correct कर रहे हैं. Okay, I'm not able to unmute. Arshdeep, I don't know why everybody else is able to unmute himself. Okay, ceremony आपने उसको connect कर लिया ring ceremony से, but that doesn't tell the meaning of the word. That doesn't tell the meaning. Bhavini, can you tell me? Or if anybody can tell, write your names. Aryan Sharma wants to tell. Bhavini, do you know? Bhavini? Wait a minute. No. Bhavini, do you know? Bhavini is again not unmuting herself. Aryan will unmute himself and tell me. Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, tea party ceremony.
Tea party ceremony. Please, no, that is wrong. Who's very sure that I know the correct answer, other than Krishang and Girisha? Anurit. Okay, Anurit, you can try.
मैम सेरेमनी मींस मैम कोई फंक्शन मैम कोई
Okay.
मैम जैसे मतलब सेरेमनी मैम जैसे कि मतलब जैसे मैम कोई हम फंक्शन करते हैं.
Yes, you are quite correct. Okay, now this girl, Arshdeep from pink section will tell me.
मैम commence.
No, I'm asking about the same word. I'm asking
मैम
about the-
सेरेमनी मींस मैम कोई फंक्शन.
Okay, so somebody is saying ring ceremony. Ceremony is a function. Okay, but that is not the correct answer. Krishang, wait. Krishang, this way, so I'll never allow anyone. Malvika Kaur, do you want to attend the class or you want to play with somebody? Yes, Krishang, unmute yourself.
मैम सेरेमनी होता है किसी भी टाइप का, जैसे कोई फंक्शन होता है उसको हम सेरेमनी कह देते हैं.
Dakshi. We are spending quite a much time on this, but okay, let me see if anybody knows any other answer. I mean, not this function wala answer. Dakshi, I think she's in the class.
A formal public or a function.
Okay, fine. So Dakshi is again reading from somewhere, I think, but it's okay. At least she has tried. So basically, ceremony word हम लोग use कर लेते हैं for a function. But what is that function for? कोई ritual, जो rituals हम लोग follow करते हैं, ठीक है? वो चीजें ceremony के अंदर आती है. Rituals means जैसे कोई पूजा होगी किसी तरह की स्पेशली, या किसी काम को करने का एक पर्टिकुलर जो हमारी सोसाइटी फॉलो करती है कोई चीज, उन रिचुअल्स को उन्हें सेरेमनीज कहा जाता है. इट कैन बी रिलीजियस, इट कैन बी पर्सनल. लाइक पर्सनल इज सेरेमनी, जैसे आपने देखा है कि सेरेमनी होती है जब किसी के घर बेबी होता है, उसके बाल जब उतरवाने होते हैं तो उसकी भी सेरेमनी की जाती है. सो दैट इज अ पर्टिकुलर रिचुअल. एक पर्टिकुलर तरह से उस चीज को किया जाता है बाय कॉलिंग अ पंडित एंड रिसाइटिंग सम मंत्रास. सो एक तरीके से, एक प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर से जब कोई काम किया जाता है उसे कहा जाता है सेरेमनी. और उस सेरेमनी को पूरा करने के लिए फंक्शन रख लेते हैं लोग. तो सेरेमनी जरूरी नहीं है कि वो सेरेमनी कोई फंक्शन की फॉर्म में ही हो. सेरेमनी मींस टू कैरी आउट सम रिचुअल. कोई काम करना है, उसको एक प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर. yes was it right? Let us move to 10th ninth word. Saksham Jalota, can you please read the ninth word for me? Yes, Saksham Jalota, read out the ninth word for me. What happens whenever I call out your names? Where do you people go all of a sudden? Very good. Parmeet Kaur. Unmute yourself. What is the ninth word?
Ma'am, commence.
Commence. Very good, Parmeet. What is the meaning of the word commence?
Ma'am, शुरू करना.
शुरू करना, to start something. इतना सा simple सा word तो आप English में बोल सकते हो. Commence करना, to start something, to begin something is called commencing something. Right? Okay. Now let us move further, and now we'll move to the make sentences. Move to the make sentences. So what was the first word of make sentences? Yes. Keep on writing the answers in the chat box. Yes, everybody. Very good. Anureet has written the first one. Very good. So the first word that we have is exact. And what is? Don't say may I. So the first word is exact, and it is an adjective. Who's gonna tell me? You can keep on writing your answers in the chat box. Quickly, Abhineet will tell me sentence for this word exact. Abhineet.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, bete. Rest of you can write the sentences in the chat box. Yes, bete.
Ma'am, इसका आंसर है, the exact time of Amazon delivery was 1 p.m.
Very good. The exact time of the delivery was 1 p.m. So exact means a particular time. It could be anything. Exact means it is it can be of a timing of an event. किसी भी चीज की exact same जो कहा particularly वही वो. Very good. Others bete do no need to say may I tell.
Ma'am, I can't write in the chat box.
Who is not able to write? Japji, is it you?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, Arshdeep.
Why, bete? Everybody is writing. What's wrong? Okay, the exact time of the school bus was 10. Try again, Arshdeep. Her exact weight was 40 kgs. Very good. All the students are supposed to be in the auditorium exact on. No, this is not correct. All the students are supposed to be in the auditorium at 9 o'clock exactly. And at aata time ke liye, on nahi aata. He doesn't tell me exactly. No, the word is not exactly. The word is exact. Now the next word that we had was exactly. Now exactly, which form of verb is it? Which form of verb is it? Exactly. पहले मुझे इसका आंसर देंगे सारे. Which form of verb is exactly? Yes, it is an adverb. So it tells us कि काम कैसे हुआ था, कोई action कैसे हुआ था. Exactly. Now, please, you can write your answers. You can write down the sentences in the chat box. Yes, Malvika, unmute yourself and tell me a sentence with this. Malvika.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, sentence बताइए बेटे exactly का.
Ma'am, sentence. We reached at the Taj Mahal exactly on 6 a.m.
अच्छा, tell me one thing. When you're talking about some time, हम कोई particular time की बात करते हैं, तो हम on use करते हैं या at use करते हैं? At करते हैं ना, तो आपने क्या बोला? What did you say? Come on, repeat it again. Repeat your sentence again.
We reached at Taj Mahal at 6 o'clock.
We reached Taj Mahal at 6 o'clock. Very good. He reached my home exactly at 1 p.m. You still look exactly the same. The exactly the same nahi aayega. Who was it? We reached. He doesn't come exactly on the right time. No. Okay. Do exactly as I tell you. I reached Phagwara at exactly at 5:30. Shiva reached the party. Very good. I think it's actually scrolling down very fast, but what I can read is you are exactly right. He had to meet me exactly on nahi aata beta. That's what I'm telling you. Whenever you're talking about some time, at aayega. He had to meet me exactly at 1 p.m. I had done my work. I had done my work. It happened. Tell me exactly what happened. Tell me what happened exactly. Okay, so थोड़ा सा इसका ध्यान रखना है कि आपने कहाँ पे place करना है. This has to be taken care of. Now let us move to the next word. The next word that we had was, come on, write down the word in the chat box. Jatin, if I find you unmuted now, I'll remove you. Third word was, next word was protect, and it was as a verb, right? Now, what is the difference between verb and noun as protect? Can anybody tell me the difference between the two? Protect as verb and protection as noun.
Ma'am, can I?
Can I? Who is this? Can I? Okay, let me see. Who will tell me? Jasmine will tell me. Jasmine, there are two words that we had done yesterday. I had given you in the mixed sentences. First one was protect as verb, and the other one was protection as noun. So can you differentiate between the two?
No, ma'am, I do not know.
You don't know? Acha, chalo, you can try for protect as verb alone. Can you tell me about protect as verb only? Who is this? Jasmine, can you tell me for protect as verb?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
I protect the baby bird from the crow.
Very good. I protect the baby birds from crow. That means आप हमेशा protect करते हैं. But if you want to write कि मैंने उन्हें protect किया था, बचाया था, तो यहाँ protected आना चाहिए, right? So more suitable sentence here is protected. यहाँ पे protected. Second form ज़्यादा suitable है. Although आपका sentence ऐसे भी wrong नहीं है. मैंने दोबारा I am telling you, मैं birds को बचाती हूँ. ठीक है, इसका मतलब ये है. लेकिन अगर आप ये कहना चाहते हैं कि मैंने बर्ड्स को बचाया था, जो ज्यादा सुटेबल है, तो आप प्रोटेक्टेड वर्ड यूज करेंगे. माय मदर प्रोटेक्ट्स मी फ्रॉम स्ट्रीट डॉग्स. यस, सो प्रोटेक्ट करना है जब आप किसी को बचा रहे हैं. सो बचाना इज एन एक्शन, दैट्स व्हाई प्रोटेक्ट इज अ वर्ब. जपजी विल टेल मी प्रोटेक्शन एज नाउन. जपजी, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड इट टुडे आल्सो. कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी प्रोटेक्शन एज नाउन?
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
यस बेटा. ये जपजी.
Excuse me.
वेट अ मिनट जपजी.
मैम किसी की प्रोटेक्शन करना.
प्रोटेक्शन करना मतलब उसका बचाव. ठीक है. ओके, कैन यू टेल मी सेंटेंस अबाउट दिस? I need my mother's protection.
Yes.
I need my mother's protection.
Always wear.
Always wear.
Always wear seat belt for protection.
Very good. Always wear a seat belt for protection. Helmet is necessary for protection while driving. Very good. Always wear goggles for as a protection of our eyes. Farmers use fertilizers for the crops protection. She carries gun for her protection. Very good. Excellent. The students who are writing, but this is what I want. At least you should give it a try. Don't sit idle. When you're attending the classes, you should be active, right? Now the next word that we have is cover as verb, as noun. Now I would like Dharya. Dharya, you didn't get your turn yesterday also. Dharya, can you tell me what is cover as noun? आप इसको थोड़ा सा मुझे explain कर सकते हैं? Can you tell me the meaning?
Ma'am, remove the cover before using the microwave.
Okay. We must remove the cover before using the microwave. This I think was given. Can you tell me some other one? Yes, the cover of the
May I?
Ma'am,
dirty. We should use covered dustbins. No, that is wrong.
May I?
Who is this? May I?
Ma'am, read कर.
चलिए बोलिए. Yes.
Ma'am, the cover of my mobile is in pink color.
Yes. So cover as noun means एक चीज है. Cover एक ऐसी thing है जो यूज हो रही है किसी चीज को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. उसे हम कवर बोलते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे आपकी नोटबुक का कवर होता है. ठीक है, दैट इज अ थिंग. आपके जो घर में अप्लायंसेस हैं, या बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनके ऊपर कवर मम्मा ने बनाया है जिनका, so वो जो कवर है that is a thing, वो एक noun है, right? So it would be cover as noun. My mother buyed नहीं होता बेटा, bought. Yes. Am I audible to you? Class, am I audible? Class, am I audible? Chat as verb, start writing in the chat box. Chat as verb in the chat box, please.
Ma'am, can I?
Write in the chat box. I covered my cupboard. Yes, she tried to cover her face with her hands. Very good. Now cover as verb means जब आप किसी चीज को cover कर रहे हैं. Cover करना मतलब ढकना. So when you are trying to cover anything, तब आप कोई action कर रहे हैं. तब वो as a thing use नहीं हो रही है. वो आप action कर रहे हैं किसी चीज को cover करने का. In that case, it would be as verb, right? Next word is, I have pasted the Google form for attendance. I think you must have seen. You can do it after 2-3 minutes. Next word is imagine as verb. Imagine करना, मैं imagine कर रही हूँ, वो imagine कर रहा था, मतलब कि कोई action हो रहा है, हमारे mind में कोई action हो रहा है imagination का, ठीक है? So you can't imagine how hungry I am. Very good, Manraj. आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो, imagine भी नहीं कर सकते कि मेरे को कितनी भूख लगी हुई है. Very good. So जब आप imagine करते हैं, yes class, very good. I imagine they'll be here soon. Very good. Can you imagine your life without water? Question mark. Girisha, you are missing the question mark. They imagine them to all to die instantly. She likes to imagine her as an actor. He imagined the house was haunted. Very good. So these all the words you are using this word imagine as a verb. Now can you tell me about imagination as noun? Imagine you are a fairy. Very good, Anbreed. Now imagination एक mind में जो हमारे picture draw हुई है उसे imagination कहते हैं. हम draw कर नहीं रहे picture अभी, mind में हमारे जो picture draw होगी है हम उसको बोलते हैं imagination. So it would be a noun. वो noun होगी. So she writes a play with her imagination. She has creative imagination. Her imagination is so powerful. She has creative imagination. He has no imagination. Imagine and use your imagination. So I actually imagine scary things. I actually imagine scary things. Here imagine will be as a verb. I hope everybody is participating. Kavish, unmute yourself and tell me one sentence. Kavish Sharma, unmute yourself. Kavish Sharma, unmute yourself and tell me a sentence with the word imagination. Very good. Yesterday also he did the same thing, today also. He has left the class. As soon as